Nothing else gives me more joy and happiness to know that I am always the reason behind your beautiful, smiling face each and every day. And it's my ultimate desire to see you every day wearing those beautiful smiling face. I promise to make you happy and excited all the time because you earn it. I love you so much, my treasure. The care and love you bestowed upon me are captivating, and I wish I could repay you someday. I know that no amount of money would be enough to repay your unconditional love for me. So I will spend my lifetime to cherish and love you with every breath in me till the end of time. I hope that will cover it all. You know that I love you right well. I do. Always and always have and always will. Nothing can be compared to your love for me, just as no one else can be compared to you, nor take your place in my heart. The blood that pumping in my heart and running through my veins is made of your love. You are truly impressible, and I am blessed to have you in my life. I love you so much, my baby. The night we first met, a star still up in the sky. I looked at it and made a wish. I wished for someone that would love me and keep me safe. My wish came true the moment I laid eyes on you. We may not have as much money as Bill Gates, but we have something even more valuable over love. No material objects can replace that. Baby, it is hard to think how I lived my life before I met you. Now I do not dare to imagine my life without you. I promise to take care of you and make you happy. Please do not ever leave my side because you have my heart in your hands. I know I might not be the perfect man, but you know that I will do everything and anything for you. You are my everything. You are a blessing, so I am beyond grateful for sending someone as wonderful as you to the woman who makes my every day brighter. I love you more than words can express. With you, I have found my home and my heart's true happiness. You are the queen of my heart and the love of my life. My love for you grows stronger with every passing with every passing moment that we shared. You are the reason I believe in love. Thank you for being my everything. Your love is my strength, and your smile is my happiness. You make my heart melt in your smile. I see something more beautiful than stars. I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I thought of being with you tomorrow gives me strength today. I cherish you and love you a lot. My adorable, lovely fish.